Hey everybody, welcome back to HawksDIY. I'm Chuck, and today we're going to do, as promised, it's October 10th, we're going to do the Super Clean giveaway. We're going to announce the winner. So the winner will be getting a bottle of the Super Clean spray degreaser and a aerosol can of the Super Clean degreaser. So anyway, if you recall from September, I announced this giveaway, and currently I'm not working on any projects, so I kind of had to do the office setting to announce this. But we'll jump right on the computer here in a second, and we'll figure out who our winner is. So I guess let's get going. Alright folks, I pulled up the video. This was released, I believe, September 14th, 2025. So anyway, this was the video that I wanted everybody to respond on. And it looks like this is going to be an easy selection. Looking at the comments, there was only one person. So Mike 707-V4U, you are the winner. And so I was going to use YouTube random comment picker, but there's no need to do that since I've only had one response. But I kind of figured that, but that's why I did it, 4 weeks. I decided to select a winner after 4 weeks, so that's why I did it this way, because I was concerned about getting enough responses. I'm a small channel, guys, so anyway, Mike 707-4VU, you are the winner of the Super Clean degreasers. What you'll need to do is you'll need to email me. You'll just have to go to my About section on my YouTube channel, and there you'll find a email address there, and you can send me an email, give me your full name and your full address. The address has to be a shipping address in the lower 48 states, and so I'll get that. Well, actually, Super Clean will ship that out to you and directly, and you can get your free degreasers. So anyway, there's the winner, and I really appreciate you, Mike, for responding. That's pretty cool. So anyway, let's move on. I'll kind of let you know what I have coming up for the winter months and where I'm going to take the channel. So anyway, let's talk about that. Alright guys, so now that we have a winner, I just thought I would mention a few things. First of all, I want to thank Super Clean for allowing me to do the giveaway. I really appreciate it. Jessica over at Super Clean's been really, really awesome. And it's good stuff. It works. It really does work, and it uses biodegradable detergents, so it's good for the environment. So anyway, I wanted to give a shout out to Super Clean and thank them for allowing me to do this giveaway and for the free products they've sent me. So anyway, got that out of the way. So what are we going to do for the rest of 2025? Well, I'm kind of at an impasse. I've kind of run out of work with the Frontier, and I do have some work on the Champion 198 that I'll be doing. But as soon as the cold weather gets here, it's going to be time to do some guitar projects. So let me show you something real fast. So one project is going to be this PRS guitar that I purchased, I think about a year ago. Basically what we're going to be doing, I got a project coming for this. I'm going to replace the humbucker with a Seymour Duncan JB model pickup, and then I'm going to replace the single coil with a Seymour Duncan SSL 5 single coil. And then I'm gonna change the electronics around. This guitar has a push-pull knob, and it's for it's supposed to be for coil splitting. But the way that PRS has got this wired, it's not really a true coil split. So I'm going to change that. I'll probably move the push-pull knob to the volume instead, and then do a true coil split. So it's going to require a lot of rewiring of the electronics. And then also the frets need to be worked. I got some high frets down here in the lower register there. So that's what needs to be done on that. And then I've got my 1993 Gibson SG Standard, and what I want to do with this one is I want to replace all the potentiometers, basically the guts of the electronics. And I've already installed a Seymour Duncan JB model in the back, and I kept the original PAF in the front. But that's really all that needs to be done on this guitar. And then, you know, the frets have been worked, it's in good shape. I think you guys seen my last video. Well, not my last video, I'm sorry. But the last guitar project, I should say, that I had was on this one with G&L. And everything's been done. I just love this guitar. It plays so awesome. So we won't be doing anything to this one. But like I said before, I would like this winter to possibly build a guitar. I think that'd be cool. So that's what's on the agenda. Basically, I'm going to do some projects on the Champion 198. I've got some painting to do. I've got other little knick-knack bull crap that's got to be dealt with. So, but once it gets cold, I'm going to be on those guitar projects. And so hopefully I can build a guitar. I'm going to have to probably buy a guitar kit to do that. So that'll take me a little bit to figure out what I want to build. But anyway, that's kind of what's on the agenda. I just wanted to share that with you, and also announce the super clean winter. So like, subscribe, and I look forward to the rest of the year, and hopefully get some good content out to you guys. So anyway, we'll talk to you next time.